I bought this stapler to do some publishing here in the office. So this one is a automatic stapler, and it's meant for binding. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. As you can see, it's in styrofoam. Got the front part there. I don't know what that's called yet. And then the machine itself, which is might be the largest stapler we've ever bought. Another little bracket here. Trying to figure out how to pick it up. Looks big. This is the unit, and that's what's going to clamp to the table. It's got a big under thing here, and we'll go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like on the table. Oh, this is the foot unit. That'll plug into the stapler so that you can hold the work with two hands and then just step on this thing to make the stapler go. And then it looks like it comes with some parts and a tool. It's got rubber feet there and then an easy to use spinner. Just set that on the table and tighten it up. Bring down the camera a little bit. Now I need to figure out how to put this thing on the front. I guess I could read the directions, but it looks like this goes around here. And then this is going to clamp on. Alright, we'll do that off camera. So indeed, the little bracket goes in there and the screw goes through it, and then this is going to tighten up, and I'm assuming this is going to give it the ability, once it's tight there, to adjust. Yeah, so that's how we adjust here. It pivots right at the front. All right, it uses a 3-prong outlet. You can plug that in. It's got a power switch here on the back. And then it has, oh, this must be like a depth or a power setting. And I guess then we plug in the, let's find a place to plug in the foot pedal. And the foot pedal does indeed fit in to plug into the back. And when you push on the foot pedal, it staples. I probably shouldn't be doing that dry. It's certainly pressing it pretty hard. I'm going to go down and adjust it to a lower number. Oh yeah, so it's pretty neat. It's definitely going to work for our purposes. You're going to need to have it at the edge of a table that doesn't have to be necessarily a thin table. It can be a workbench, but you are going to need to have it at the edge, and it is going to hang over the edge, so that's a little bit different than what we expected. But it does have a nice foot pedal with plenty of cord, and it is going to be a great addition to our publishing efforts, our projects, and I hope this shows you how it comes in the box and how it works. Hope that helped.